reload one car today. It's almost 15 years old. I don't expect it to be a very good car. Let's see how bad it is. What I was told is the car got no major accident. Just the minor one, lights need to be repaired. Here, this is the broken one. And yeah, scratches and dents. Previous owner never sent for repair before. So for the 14.5 years, these are all the damage. This is what I like because the car never repaired before. This is the original condition from the first day she bought the car. We can identify how serious is the damage and where is damaged and where is not. Let's check out for the interior. For the inside, it just looks better than it should be. There's no scratches or dents or broken. Just need a good wash for the back. Yes. Everything seems okay. Another broken line for the boot. Dents here. Everything is still in place. The tire, yeah, tire okay, but the tire is okay. Let's check out the engine. They didn't wash the engine bay. That's the very good chance for us to identify, is there any leaking? From what I see over here is all good. Every time when we get a car, first thing we're gonna do is wash it. After the car is clean and shine, kind of, then only we can identify what part that need to be replaced or repaired. And the most importantly, the cost. And not only that, we need to do a test drive. Is there any issue with the engine, the gearbox, or the suspension system, or steering mechanism? Anything. The aircon, is it very cold? Is the sound system looks alright? Let's wait and see. After 3 days, the car is done. I mean, to clean the car. The exterior of the car, there's a lot of work to be done. The lights need to be replaced. Scratches, dents everywhere. These two. There's 2 lights that need to be replaced. As for the dents, yeah, the whole car body, there's a lot of work to do with it. As for the interior, after some deep cleaning, I would say that it's flawless. Very nice, very clean. The only things I have here that need to be replaced. This is the only thing that needs to be replaced. Other than that, all good. Let's pop the hood. Nice and clean. Now I need to check how much does it cost for the front and rear lights and also the whole body. After driving it for 1 day in city driving and a bit of highway, there's only one issue, it's the alignment. It costs less than 50 bucks to get it fixed. Other than that, aircon, gearbox, brakes, suspension, everything's are all good. By looking at the tire tread, I guess the previous owner maintained the car very well. It's just that the exterior of the car is bad. Maybe it's because of the working area or the staying area a bit tough. That makes the exterior looks this bad. We never know. Anyway, I've already checked the price to get it fixed. The lights at the front and the back, not the original one, the Taiwan one, it costs less than 600. For the body, painting, knocking or patch, get it fixed everything, is about 2,500 to 3,000. The interior, nothing much to do. Very clean. I paid 480 bucks for the interior and the engine bay. This need to get fixed. The only problem is this and this. It costs less than 200 bucks. In order to make it as brand new as possible, the paints, the lights, the service, the alignments, everything, it's about 4,500 to 5,000. Before I do it, I guess maybe I would try to sell it 5,000 below the market price. Let's see how's the response. It's hot today and full blast the aircon. Within 5 minutes, it's all good. It means that the blower and the aircon got no problem at all. Let's check the average price. I'll get the price from Mudah, entire Malaysia. EZI 2010, and it's 3 pages. I'll take the first page only, copy it. Go to ChatGPT, paste. Above are the prices for Alza EZI 2010 in RM. Give me the average price based on the data above. The average price is 21,900 plus. I'll try to post in my Facebook Marketplace and Mudah, and also bidding. Creator Sum or My change the bidding platform in Malaysia. Price might be lower, but if it's not much, but I can save a lot of time and hassle, maybe I should give it a try. Good morning. Just to update, the car is sold. Mercedes W123, very nice car. For this particular unit, the condition is super good. That's not mine. If it's mine, I won't sell it. I already said that I would like to post in Facebook Marketplace, and the Mudah initially was 17,000, but I put it even lower, 16,000. Got a lot of interested buyer. Price is 15,000, all asking for 15 or 14,000, and 80% of the enquiries are come from used car dealer. Offers are about 11,000 to 13,000. Luckily, I got a good offer from the bidding platform, 14,800. Deduct 700 for the processing fee, I still get 14,100, which is just 900 lower than the highest offer I get from the private buyer. As compared with the dealer's offer, the highest I get was 13,000, 1,001 lower than what I get from the bidding system. So, accept offer. So, okay, bye bye.